Vice Mayor of the City of Manila. Cooperation and Coordination Agency to support the City of Manila's livelihood projects through our very own Public Employment Service Office or PESO. To formally start this afternoon's activity, may I request everyone please rise for the singing of the national anthems of the Republic of Turkey and the Republic of the Philippines. Without further ado, to welcome us all in this juncture, let us give a round of applause to the Vice Mayor of the City of Manila, Honorable Maria Sheila Handy Lacuna Abang.
Her Excellency Ambassador Artemis Siner, and to TICA Philippines Country Director Mr. Mustafa Felimodu, welcome and good afternoon. According to the Cultural Atlas, the Turkish community is often exceptionally generous, and that we have a cultural tradition of charity. And it is in no doubt that the Embassy of Turkey here in the Philippines and the Turkish Cooperation and Coordination Agency, TICA, is doing their share to promote that profound culture. In behalf of the people of the City of Manila, with our very energetic, proactive, and transformational servant leader, Mayor Francisco Isko Moreno Dumagoso, we wish to express our profound gratitude to your generosity of handing over these 50 brand new Singer sewing machines, 10 cutting-edge machines, and other supplies for your livelihood project that will benefit our less fortunate citizens. We thank you for the trust you are giving the City Government of Manila to be your partner in realizing your noble trust, and we look forward to many more projects that you will implement here in Manila. Once again, thank you and mabuhay.
Thank you, Vice Mayor Lacuna, for your warm words of welcome. At this point, ladies and gentlemen, let us hear the message of the Ambassador of Turkey to the Philippines. Let's give a round of applause to Her Excellency Artemis Sumera.
recent home for 18 years as a hard worker and committed politician. I must admit that I admire and deeply respect your great achievements in life. Furthermore, we all know the large-scale project that you successfully initiated for the creation of new jobs, the improvement of healthcare, the protection of the environment, and your efforts to boost the tourism in this beautiful metropole. Manila is a very pleasant city to live or foreigners. Your Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, first of all, I would like to express to Your Excellency and all Filipinos my deep condolences for the citizens who lost their lives and for the many injured in the recent disastrous tropical typhoons, Kinta, Raleigh, and Ulysses. We are following with great interest the improved and efficient relief work of the government in these affected regions. My country highly values the Turkey and the Philippines proud the 70th anniversary of the establishment of diplomatic relations. In this new period, we would like to give a new impetus to our bilateral relations and last year, Turkey and the Philippines proudly celebrated the 70th anniversary of the establishment of diplomatic relations. In this new period, we would like to give a new impetus to our bilateral relations and diversify our areas of cooperation. We believe that we should increase the visits at all levels between our countries. In this framework, we can plan the visits between the mayor of Ankara and Manila, two important capitals in their respective regions. Today, we are especially glad to be in this City Hall on the occasion of the inauguration of the project of the Turkish Cooperation and Coordination Agency, TICA, which aims to support Manila Public Employment Service Offices livelihood project called Washable Face Mask Making. We know that this important project will help the displaced tailors in the city and at the same time provide protection to these citizens who have no means of buying face masks. In this context, TICA will donate already 50 brand new high-speed sewing machines, 10 cutting and etching machines, various sewing tools, and electric fans. I underline that TICA, which is active in more than 150 countries, from Latin America to the Balkans, from Asia Minor to East Asia, Middle East, and Africa, established its Manila program office in 2015. In the past 5 years, TICA has accomplished numerous socio-economic projects and aids in different regions of the Philippines, such as agricultural equipment support to San Pedro Farmers Association, a support project to Tabi rice planters in Samar, the rice cultivation project in the province of Aurora, the construction also of 3 health centers and the maternity clinic, as well as 5 schools in Mindanao. Through TICA, Turkey is dedicated to continue its socio-economic projects all over the Philippines. Thank you very much, Mayor. I would like to present my best wishes of health and happiness to you and the family of the City Hall of Manila for 2021. Mabuhay and Filipinas, ang Filipinas at Turkey. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Her Excellency Artemis Sumer, for your wonderful message. And now, to give us his own inspirational message, it's my pleasure to give you the Mayor of the City of Manila. Let's give a round of applause to Honorable Francisco Isko Moreno Domagoso.
Thank you to our Vice Mayor Hani Lacuna, to our Director of PESO, Director Fernando Bermejo, yung ating totoo ako na tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung programa natin na makapagbigay ng hanap buhay sa kasagsagan ng pandemya. At yung hanap buhay na kanilang ginagawa ay siya namang pinakikinabangan ng tao at ng mamamayan ng lungsod. Kumbaga parang maling tangkilik para sa labanan nito pagkalat ng coronavirus. We're doing our own mass in the city of Manila. And congratulations to each and everyone, to our yung mga mananahin namin. We've reached our goal of 1 million masks. And para patuloy na makapagbigay ng opportunity sa mga pamilyang benepisyaryo ng livelihood program ng city, the city opted to extend for you additional 500,000 face masks. Tuloy ang trabaho, tuloy ang pangangalaga sa bawat batang Maynila. Maraming salamat kay President Malupitia, ang partner school natin for this livelihood program, at sa UDM family, thank you very much. Siguro nakita nyo yung aming sorpresa kanina, yung mga tao dito. Sorpresa ko yun para sa mga batang Maynila, para sa 650,000 families in the city of Manila. Diyan, nakita nyo kanina, tinuro ko nga kay Ambassador. To our honored guest today, and we are very grateful to the Turkish people here today being represented by Her Excellency Artemis Sumer. and Mr. Mustafa Kerimoglu. I hope I pronounced it right. The head of TICA program. No? And to the members, men and women of the Turkish embassy in the country, to the government of Turkey, thank you very much for giving us such wonderful gift and very timely gift and assistance for us to continue to provide opportunity to earn for our people. As you all know, I mentioned a while ago that we are really trying to be part of the solution with regard to the opportunity for people to earn in the middle of these challenges, what we call pandemic. So this is a city program supported by the Vice Mayor and the members of the City Council. And if I mention a special mention, the money, most of the money, as a form of salary to our people, came from the people also. Donations from 3,000, from 1,000 pesos, from 12,000, 100,000, 500,000, 1 million, 10 million, lahat po, all those donations are being utilized to continue to fight pandemic and provide livelihood. Because I hope I'm wrong that by 2021, we may fear the economic repercussion of this pandemic. And with the help of private sectors and like international community and the government, especially the national government, we will do some mitigating effort to mitigate the effect of these economic challenges in the coming months, maybe the whole year of 2021. But be that as it may, rest assured, Your Excellency, that the city of Manila, in a given time, that there is an access for vaccine accepted by the world community, certified by the regulatory agencies in the world, the city of Manila is prepared to acquire because we have already saved some of money to acquire possible vaccine for the people of Manila. Yun naman ang ating pinagsisikapan. Habang pinagsisikap po kayo na kumita at gumawa ng mask para magbigay at mabawasan ang gastusin ng mga tao sa pagbili ng mask, nag-ahanda rin tayo sa kung sakaling may gamot. At hindi naging sa inyo na I've been talking to a lot of world-recognized international pharmaceutical companies. No? At nag-engage talaga tayo. And at the same time, even the national government is doing the same thing. So if we are going to be successful, both national and local, in acquiring such opportunity for the people of Manila, I think darating ang oras, gagaan na ang buhay natin. Babalik na sa normal. But for the meantime, while we are waiting for such good news, we must continue and pursue the safety. And as a matter of priority in terms of policy is the health of the people. So again, to TICA, thank you very much. To Her Excellency Sumer, to Mr. Mustafa, to the people of Turkey and the government, thank you for your assistance to the people of Manila. We will never forget. We are grateful, and again, let me stress to you, this gift of yours will be utilized fully for its purpose. And to sa ating mga batang Maynila, kagalingan nyo. O yan, extended na kayo. O, tuloy ang mga buhay. Hanggat kaya, hindi tayo titigil. Hanggat may pandemya, hindi tayo titigil na gumawa ng mga maliliit na kaparangan. Baby steps. And to achieve baby wins, but towards bigger goal. Kundi yung ligtas at mag-iligtas ang mga batang Maynila. At ganun din sa mga tao na dadako sa lungsod ng Maynila. So muli, thank you very much. May awa ang Diyos, makakalaos din tayo. Magandang hapon, pagpalain na wapin ko ng COVID. Manila, God first.
Thank you, Mayor Francisco Estamoreno de Magosa, for that delightful message. At this point, ladies and gentlemen, we shall now proceed with the signing of the deed of donation with the Honorable Francisco Estamoreno de Magosa, Mayor, City of Manila, Her Excellency Artemis Sumen, Ambassador, Embassy of Turkey to the Philippines, Vice Mayor Maria Silahan Lapunapanan, Mr. Mustafa Kelimodu, TICA Philippines Country Director, assisted by Mr. Fernando Romero, Public Employment Services Office Director, again, thank you to the Embassy of Turkey to the Philippines for your generosity to the City of Manila. Once again, thank you, Her Excellency Artemis Sumero,